Hello guys, so I'm back again to bring you guys another model unboxing, and today we have a Phoenix models, Singapore Airlines Airbus A340-500. This plane carries a registration of 9V-SGE, and I've been waiting quite long for this model to be re-released, and the old model with a registration of 9V-SGA. I've been looking for that model for quite long, but I knew that they will release a last flight version, cause this is quite a popular flight. It's about 18 hours and 50 minutes, so it's the longest flight in the world. And let's get to the details of the box. Alright, so at the top here, Airbus A340-500. We here have a picture of the plane, longest flight in the world, as I've said. Singapore Airlines with the Singapore Airlines logo and the registration down below, and 1/400 scale platinum series. So flip it to the bottom, you have the Phoenix logo and the plane there, Singapore Airlines registration and the Phoenix logo. Same thing as the other side and same thing as this side. So at the back, limited edition Singapore Airlines, and they give some information of the longest flight in the world. If you want to read it, you can. So the service has been active for quite long. And down here, the heart of aviation, a barcode, some warnings, and the Phoenix logo. So without further ado, let's get to the model. And sorry guys for the delay in the uploading, because recently my internet died and I couldn't do anything, so it was quite annoying and boring at the same time. So we get the box closed. Here is the plane. Sorry for the quality and the So anyways, here's the plane, Singapore Airlines A340-500. So if we bring it up close, you can see the cockpit, the Star Alliance logo behind the cockpit, and molded in antennas. And here Singapore Airlines titles. Down here it says Airbus A340-500, and the landing gear there. I'm sorry about the focus, guys. Landing gear with parts of the registration painted on the gear door. The 4 Rolls-Royce engines. The Rolls-Royce engines. The winglet. The Singapore flag there. The lovely Singapore Airlines livery, and more antennas, and this stuff, which I believe are for the flaps. They are painted red, and the Singapore Airlines tail. Truly amazing and beautiful. The horizontal stabilizers and the APU at the back, and the registration of 9V-SGE here. And at the bottom, the front gear, the antenna, the Phoenix logo, stand hole, and the main landing gears of the A340-500. And they do have 4 gears in the middle here, unlike the A340-300, which has only 2. And so this is a beautiful model, but however, I've realized that Phoenix's quality control have dropped quite significantly, and this particular model has some numbers of flaws, including the landing gear, which are bent and not really in place like the others. and some paint flaws too, but I really do hope they can, you know, improve their models, because it's not really cheap, you know. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Do check out my other videos and comment, rate and subscribe as well. See you guys.